usually goes by in.
So what
And
was the last movie you watched? Did you remember?
oh my god. Oh yes, I do remember. I watched Param Sundari in the
Paramsun.
theaters.
In the theater? So nowadays you are getting money, so that's why you can afford, na? So that is the main reason.
No, no, no. My friends.
Can you see me right now?
Of course, AIM native speaker. Amazing, lovely. You've gained yourself a new subscriber tonight.
Yeah, why not? If
All
you have
right.
a cell phone, so if you have a cell phone, you can just maybe you are taking like class with English, so you can study. There is a one that try to thrive. He's making a more money, like more than you as well. Now he has around maybe 2 lakh followers.
My God, Parvendra,
Yeah, one question like what
of course.
motivating you like become an like English tutor?
You want me to be honest, or do you want a sweet answer?
Sweet answer, like honest and sweet both.
All right, fine. Parvendra, since we are meeting for the very first time, let's get started with a brief introduction.
Sure. Well, my name is Parvendra Kumar, as you know, and like I have done my BHM Bachelor of Hotel Management from HNB University. This is a basically 4 year degree course,
Mhm.
and apart from that, I have done my industrial training from DoubleTree by Hilton Agra. This training is duration is 6 months, and then after now, if I talk about now, so I'm doing job in Hayat Place, Gurgaon, Udyog Bihar. I live in Gurgaon,
Understand.
but now I am like I came at my home for vacation purpose, as know that winter season is going on, so like for a vacation now I came to my like place, and so that is the reason this types of fest I'm traveling a lot because of this is not like we don't have a proper internet connections and electricity as well. So
Mhm.
this is my like friend room. So I came here to took a session with you. It's too late.
My God, my what dedication.
So that's the reason.
All right, all right, okay. And Parvendra, any hobbies, any other areas of interest, any likes, dislikes?
Yeah, if I'll talk about mostly when I'll get a free time, so I'll talk with the stranger people. Even though I have some groups like there, as a co-learners friends are there, so we speak in English. And apart from that, I love to like sometime when I get a time, so I go with my friends. Nowadays, like right now, at my place, so I go with my friends for walking, like playing cricket and badminton, such kind of and like that's normal things. Yeah,
All right.
and I love to sometime when I get a time, so I love to read a books. That's all about me. What about you? What do you like to get whenever you have a free time? So what exactly you do?
All right. Okay, Parvendra, I'll answer this question. In a minute after I introduce myself, my name is Anushka, and I'm a spoken English coach. I've been working for about 3 years now. I hold a master's in English literature, and I'm from Noida.
Noida, oh my god, you are near to me. Oh my god.
Yes,
Like in a metro, if I get like 45 minutes, that's more
yes,
than. Like, I
yes.
live in a Gurugram,
Of course,
near Ifo metro station. Maybe you are
understand.
aware of that.
Of course, of course. All right. Okay. And Parvendra, I feel that getting free time is a luxury nowadays, a luxury that I cannot afford. For
Mm-hmm.
now, during the holiday season, I have ample time, but I've been using it, how do I say properly, productively. I've been reading a lot of research papers and whatnot. So most of my time nowadays goes into reading, writing, taking sessions.
Do you love to watch web series?
I don't.
You
I
don't
don't.
like? Stranger Things?
I've heard about it, yes.
Yeah, it's because of Stranger Things season 5 or 6, 7 it's coming. So
Uh-huh.
like most of the people are very exciting to launch, and maybe on the 1st January it will be like release. So I'm very like excited. No, I start from like now the five season is available in
Uh-huh.
Netflix, and I start from season one, and
Wow.
basically yeah. So like each season have five like 7 to 8 episode, and episode
Okay.
one or two like per episode is like 1 hour, like
Okay.
1 hour 35 minutes like that.
Hmm.
So I watch in English even though like we have option multiple option you can watch
Yes.
in Tamil and in Hindi English. So I start to watch in English, but in a starting when season 1 and season episode 1, that was very like difficult to me, who's that character, what the mean
Yes.
of that character, because in English correct we are aware of that in a Hollywood like Bollywood like
Yes.
Shilpa Shetty, Sunil Shetty, like we are aware of the all actors, okay. But
Correct.
in other like Hollywood, like Bollywood, or I don't know what Trollywood, I don't know. So we don't have like what the
Yes.
basic things like who is that. So it was
Correct.
very like hard to me to understand.
Hmm.
So continuously I watched 2 episodes, and then
Okay.
after I was getting interest,
Hmm.
and then after I was very curious about that what will be happen again, because of in
Yes.
their episode we have a child, like child
Hmm.
character, even though I'm also child, so I connect too much about that Stranger Things. And
Okay.
now I'm waiting for that, like when the season 5 will become, like four season like 4 episode have already uploaded, but like
Hmm.
more season come after, like maybe in 2026, like we are very near to 2026.
Of course, it's right around the corner.
Yeah.
All right.
So
Okay.
I have one question, like what
Of course.
motivating you like become an like English Yari tutor?
You want me to be honest or do you want a sweet answer?
Sweet answer, like honest and sweet both.
All right. Parvendra, I'd be really honest and I'll put it nicely. Uh, the only motivator would be
Only
money.
money. Same. Because of sometime I also thought when I get fluent in English like as an active, so I also thought like I also will go in English Yari as a tutor, I will teach. Now I am a student, but I thought in future I will definitely teach,
Of course.
like those people, those are like intermediate, they want to learn English, so I can guide you because how I learn and how you can learn, like.
Right. Right. Of course. Of course.
And
That's
like there is a behind of money, understand everything behind money, like suppose everything, like if you are like doing a job somewhere else, so behind of that the thing is money. Every
yes.
person want to get money. And if
Of
you are
course.
doing a good study like any like university, behind of that you have a reason of money.
Right. Right. Of
Yeah,
course.
this.
And Parvendra, I feel before English Yari, I used to work on a different platform. Uh, that's
Clapping go.
only started because yes.
Clapping go. Oh my god. I'm aware of that. I was thinking about taking a session in Clapping Go as well. But
Okay.
I realized that like more tutor available in English Yari. Like you have multiple option. Like every week new tutors are coming in English Yari platform. So I thought English Yari is good, and
Mm-hmm.
before that I have already taken the subscription of English Yari.
Okay.
So I believe in that English Yari is good for comparison to Clapping Go.
All right.
So you
Okay.
can go, you can go. There is one application is also there. You can get a more amount like
Oh my God.
Cam. Are you aware of that Camly?
Of course I am. But Parvinder, to be very honest, I'll be very honest with you. I'm very happy with my current platform.
Okay, yeah, that's great. But in a Clapping Go, you can get in dollar. That's comes under maybe I don't know exactly, maybe UK or somewhere else.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll check it out.
Yeah, definitely you have to check, and you can get in dollars. Now you are getting in INR, but
Yes.
and then after you can get in dollar.
All right. Okay. Yes, but Parvinder, I was mentioning how once, I started taking sessions, I was doing it for the money. I later realized that I actually love doing it. So even if I don't get paid now, being really honest, brutally honest, I would still take sessions.
Really? That's a wonderful. Like suppose that if you are doing something and if you are also getting money, that's okay. If you are not getting money, so that is also okay because you love to do.
Of course, of course. Right? And nowadays it's very rare to get a job that you actually love, isn't it?
Yeah, you know what? Even though I love to make videos in my YouTube, actually I'm a YouTuber, and because of I suddenly check right now. You didn't mention like you are that video. Like there is no option to download a video. Just 5 to 6 minutes before I check out, I can't because you don't allow to upload a video in social media. Maybe I don't know, but thing is that recently I checked, and
Okay.
yeah. So because of their other tutor is also there, so they have like mention if you are a YouTuber, so you can just download a video, you can upload in social media, whatever you
Okay.
wanna go. But there is a section of right now before 5 minutes before I check out, there is no icon of YouTube. So
Oh my.
but you didn't allow to you. So that's the reason.
I
That is
understand.
fine. Yeah.
Parvendra, why don't you tell me about your YouTube journey? How did it start and how is it going right now?
Right now, is there any option to screen share? I'm just taking a
No, you can't.
yeah. Okay. So well, if I talk about the YouTube journey, so when I start, I remember that in 2020, I start from I start from beginning. So I was thinking about what I have to do right now. So I
Okay.
decided to do a hotel management course. It's good for me. So I was like I come from Uttar Pradesh. So there is a Hindi medium. We don't have an English medium. So
Okay.
I was totally Hindi medium. So I decided to do a hotel management course, and then I realized if I'll go in a five-star hotel, so at the time I have to speak in English. So obvious that. So I thought this is the right time to learn English, and I start at the time. I remember that COVID was going on,
Hmm.
so I start from there, and then after. Okay, so while learning this language, I start my YouTube channel as well. So I start from like as just funny way. Like now I'm learning English, so I can just make a video and then I will upload. So when I upload a video, so I get views little bit, not much, but I enjoyed a lot. Like in a YouTube, my video is available, so I can watch anytime. Like even my daughter, my son will be watch in the future. So I thought
Okay.
like that. So from there, I start like that, and like while learning this language, so I
Mhm.
make a conversation video with tutors, so I
Mhm.
upload in my YouTube channel as well. The same thing is going on.
Understood.
And
Understood. And
can
Parvendra,
you
personally,
can you see me right now?
of course, AIM native speaker. Amazing. Lovely. You've gained yourself a new subscriber tonight?
Yeah, why not? If
All
you have
right.
a cell phone, so if you have a cell phone, you can just maybe you are taking like class with a laptop.
Yes, yes, I do. All right. Okay. Parvendra, let me know. Besides being a content creator yourself, what kind of content do you like watching? What kind of content you like consuming nowadays?
Nowadays, I'm watching a Money Heist. There is a web series.
Okay.
Maybe you are aware of that. So I watch because now I'm learning English. So I
Hmm.
never thought about I will watch Sunil Shetty movies, Shahrukh Khan. Like I never thought about like. So
Okay.
nowadays I'm consuming foreigners content. Like now
Okay.
I complete Stranger Things. Now I start from Money Heist,
Mm-hmm.
and because I want to consume I want to consume English content more and more, like what is
Yes.
my capability. So it's obvious that if I'm like suppose that if I'm watching anything in English,
Mhm.
definitely so many things I will consume, I will never think about, but automatically that comes to in my
Yes.
mind. So
Correct.
nowadays I'm thinking, but I love to watch mostly love drama,
Hmm.
like every person love to do. So I also love, but
All right.
so that's so.
Okay.
What about you? Like, what do you want to like? Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma? Like mostly, what do you like to do?
I mean, Parvendra, I'm not really fond of, say, watching series. I watch a movie every once in a blue moon, here and there. Uh, Besides that, I like reading. I mostly read. I read a lot. That's what my day usually goes by in.
So what
And
was the last movie you watched? Did you remember?
oh my god. Oh yes, I do remember. I watched Param Sundari in the
Param Sundar.
theaters.
In the theater? So nowadays you are getting money, so that's why you can afford, na? So that is the main reason.
No. My friends dragged me to it.
You
Although
know
I did
what?
not watch.
I never like went to theater.
My
I don't know
god.
how is the theater. Like to be honest, I have a phone. I just whatever I wanna do, I can just watch in my phone only.
Understood. Understood. And
Yeah.
Parvendra, in terms of academics, how's your course going? Your hotel management course. How's that going
No,
for
no,
now?
no. Hotel management course has been complete. Now
Oh,
I'm doing
you're done.
job.
My
I
god.
have done my 4 year degree course. I'm 2 years experience holder person.
Oh my god. Oh my
Yeah.
god.
But it's look like I'm very young. Like most of the people say you look like it's like maybe 10 or 12 maybe. Rather I have done my 4 year degree course and now I'm 2 years experienced person.
Understood. Lovely. Lovely.
Oh my
All
god.
right. Okay. Parvendra, since the year is about to end, if I ask you, how was your 2025 in a nutshell? How would you describe it to me? How was the year in terms of, say, challenges, achievements, the good or bad? How was 2025
Like
for you?
both I can see ups and down.
Mm.
Like
More
sometime
ups or more downs?
more up. I learned so many things in this year. But sometimes suppose that right now I'm feeling very happy and now I'm talking to you and then after I will like suppose that if I will upload any videos or something else. So if I will not get a result, so I will feel very down. Yeah, I
Yes.
struggle a lot, but I didn't get like feedback or anything else. So and
Hmm.
then again I start, again I do, sometime I got a result, so I feel very like in the moon like that. So
Yes.
it's like this is the part of life, ups and down I can say.
Of course. Of course.
So how,
Uh,
yeah, so
yes.
how's the weather in like Noida?
It's cold. And somehow, Parvendra, over the last 2 days, the weather seems
Hmm.
clearer now. The air seems breathable. I'm not sure about Delhi. How's the weather there? But the pollution seems to be settling down now. So it's rather
No,
good
I don't
to be out.
think.
It was very sunny too. The past
And
few
what
days.
about there is a mountain, I forget the name of, there is something low comes, there is a parvat, I forget the name. उस पर्वत का नाम क्या है? I I forget the name of the पर्वत. देयर इज अ पर्वत, अभी कुछ पर्वत की कटने की बात चल रही है दिल्ली में
Oh
अभी
yes, the
बट
Aravallis.
अरावली पर्वत या देयर इज अ वन पर्वत, आई डोंट नो, माउंटेन, या
It's a
माउंटेन,
mountain range, Parvendra.
या माउंटेन रेंज, like if this will be destroy, so maybe there is a pollution we can get more and more because of
Of
like
course.
there is a, like Rajasthan disaster, like wraith, like
Desert.
desert will come to fly in bank like Gurgaon or
Yes.
Delhi.
Yes.
It will very hard to like. Oh my God, we have a complete and now we don't have a time. I
Oh,
didn't realize.
we do
Yeah,
have 10 more minutes. Go ahead. Keep
yeah.
talking.
Nah, I'll complete my like now it's your turn. But now it's you seem like also
All right.
22 or 23.
I am
Hey,
24.
you, I'm also 23. Like I can, my mom say you are just right now 24, but in my mark sheet, like I'm
Uh-huh.
23. Like
Okay.
like after 2 or 3 months later,
Uh-huh.
I'll get a 24.
You will turn 24.
Yeah, return to
Right.
24.
Right.
Yeah,
And next year I'll be turning 25.
yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Parvendra will talk more. I have a few more questions to ask you, but we'll
Mm-hmm.
quickly analyze whatever you have spoken till now.
Sure.
All right. Okay. Now, Parvendra, what happens is, see, there are many sentences which you spoke, which were grammatically correct, right? But they were too long, right? Use phrases and sentences which you already know. For example, when you talked about what you're doing right now, you said, if I talk about now, like right now,
Mm-hmm.
delete that whole phrase and go, at present, I am doing blah, blah, blah. At present, I am doing dash.
You know, when I use that things, I want to make a long conversation, like I
Mm.
can like think about like next what I have to
Ah,
talk. So that's why I use like, so that is
I,
the reason I know that things like I don't want to beat about the bush, but things
beat
that I
around the
can.
bush.
Yeah, I mean, you know that is the idioms, and so that is the reason. So I can think more sentence like next sentence, next step, what I have to take. So that is the reason I beat about the bush.
Understood. Understood. Then, Manvendra, whenever you use in a sentence, say you're using the apostrophe S, you are currently in your friend's room. That
Mm-hmm.
S, apostrophe S after friend, that needs to be pronounced. You are in your friend's room, not friend room. Friend's room. Right?
Friends room. Yeah.
Perfect. Then, Parvendra, always remember when it comes to days, the name of days, and
Mm-hmm.
dates, we always use the preposition on, not in.
Oh.
So on January 1st, on Monday, on Sunday, not in.
Okay. All right. When we talk about like any particular date, like Sunday,
Yes,
Monday, like according to week, so at the time we have to use
perfect.
on Monday, where we
Perfect.
can use in.
In the evening,
Okay, like when
in
we
the
are talking
morning,
about the time periods.
yes. Also, Parvendra, when you talk about noon, right? On night, there you also cannot use in. At night, at noon,
When we are talking about a particular time, so at the time we can use in
yes.
4 o'clock, in a 4 o'clock, or at 4 o'clock,
At 4 o'clock,
at 4 o'clock.
yes. In
So
is mostly used with mornings and evenings,
in evening. Okay, great.
right?
I will check out like in a YouTube video,
Sure.
so I
Please
can.
do. Please do. Just the basics of uh, time-related prepositions, Parvendra. You know, check out their usage and whatnot. Then, Parvendra,
Definitely.
I'd like to know from you, what do you think is the difference between child and child's?
If I talk about one one baby, yeah, one boy or girl, so I can say like when he is a childhood, like when he is like small age, like
Okay.
1 to 5 6 around, like say, so I can say child. When we have more children, so I can say childs.
Then why you
When
don't
we
say
have
children?
hmm?
What is the meaning of children then?
Child. Children's, like when we have like prepositions, that is the prepositions. Like when we have a more child, like suppose that I have a 10 child, okay, so children's that comes under children's or something. I don't know proper things,
That's
but
fine.
it
That's fine.
seems to me like.
That's fine. Basically, Parvendra, children is the plural of child, right? The word child is singular and the plural of it is children. So you
Yeah.
cannot put S after children or child. Child's, this word is wrong, right? The word children's is also wrong. Since the word children is already plural, there is no need to put S,
Yes.
right? So I say, XYZ has a child. And in the same breath, I'll say, he or she, they have two children, they have three children, etc. Making
Mm,
sense?
I aware of that, but while trying to speak in English, so I never think about like I have to use S or ES. Like people can understand what I'm saying to you, but in a proper way, that's wrong. But people can understand.
Of course, of course.
Yeah.
You know, most of your sentences are very comprehensible, Ravindra.
Mm.
You
I'm not
clearly convey
giving.
the
Yeah.
ideas.
Yeah, I'm not giving any exam of IS or IPS, so I have to think about ES. I have to put down here ES or IS. But thing is that if the another person is like getting whatever I'm saying with us, he's understanding or not, that is
Mm,
fine. But yeah,
right?
you are right. You are also right, because we have to think like if the meaning will be changed. Like if we will not use the
Yes.
proper way, so meaning will be different. Suppose that like there is a sentence, I can write a book. Okay,
Yes,
if I'll say I may write a book, so meaning is different.
true. Very true. And
The
Parvendra,
sent
what happens is, see, um, in normal words, you can skip the S. Pens, pencils, books. Here, even if you drop the S, nobody is going to notice. But what happens is the word childs does not exist. It's an incorrect word altogether. So even if you use it in a sentence, it will most likely be noticeable, right? So we don't want
yeah,
anyone calling us out on this, isn't it?
I'll think about.
To look into it, all right? Lovely, lovely. Any questions, any confusion, Parvendra? Anything that doesn't make sense?
Well, I just wanna, okay. So which board you are belongs to? You like I know. I think you belong to CBSE or maybe other board.
Yeah, CBSC.
So that is the reason. I don't think, like I come from UP board, so that is the reason. If I belong to the CBSE board, so my level will be. I don't. Maybe I will not hear
Parvendra, natively, where are you from in UP?
district Bijnor.
District Bijnor. All
Are you
right.
aware of that?
Of course I
Oh my God.
am.
Okay. There is a okay. Yeah, leave it. You said that like if I do not get a chance, like if I will not get a paid, so definitely I will love to do a teaching.
Of
So is
course.
that yeah? So is there any option to get a personal like with a tutor? Like suppose that I just want to talk to you again, but there is an option I have to pay and then you will give to miss his session.
Ah,
Yeah,
Parvendra,
yeah,
what you
but.
can do, every Friday at 5 p.m., I release slots, right?
Mm-hmm.
For the next week and for the weekend as well. So you
Mm-hmm.
can find my sessions there. You can book
Yeah,
them.
you are right. But
Mhm.
you said that I'm here for just my happiness. I don't want to like money like that. So
Uh-huh.
suppose that those people are genuine, they wanna get session from your side. So how they can?
Parvendra, I was thinking of like launching a platform of my own, but that,
Yeah, so that's a right. No, you are right. You have to think about.
but
Like you are doing a job, like still you are doing a job under somewhere, I don't know. There is a one YouTuber, like I forget the name of that girl, but there is a one like guy of belongs to English Yari. He is maybe founder of English Yari.
okay.
He went to her and give like podcast video. Maybe there
Ah,
is a
okay.
advocate Sunita. I don't know. I forget the name. There is a one YouTube channel,
That's fine.
and that person belongs to also Uttar Pradesh maybe, and he comes
Okay.
from UP board also. And I
Mhm.
listened that podcast. That was amazing, and it's like that you can also start your own things. Now you are just at 24.
Of course, of course. I'll keep that in mind.
And
And
also you can start your YouTube channel maybe. If you know
fine.
English, so you can start. There is a one guy try to thrive. He's making a more money, like more than you as well. Now he has around maybe 2 lakh followers.
My God. Parvendra, I'll look
Yeah,
into it. Right. And I'll see what else I can do. Make sure, Parvendra, here that you book more slots Friday 5 p.m. Right. I have one more session at 10. So I'll wrap this up and I'll see you in the next one.
definitely. Sure, definitely. Maybe tomorrow I can like get to you.
Perfect. Perfect. So I'll see you tomorrow then.
Sure, we will continue that conversation. That was a wonderful.